13 useful kitchen gadgets available on Amazon. If you're a cooking enthusiast or simply want to make your time in the kitchen easier, these 13 useful kitchen gadgets available on Amazon are must-haves. From precision cooking to easy meal prep, these products are designed to make cooking more efficient, fun, and mess-free. Perfect Drink Pro Smart Bartending. Imagine hosting a party where everyone's drink is perfectly mixed every time. No more guessing or awkwardly mixing ingredients. That's where the Perfect Drink Pro Smart Bartending system comes in. This innovative gadget connects to your smartphone and provides real-time instructions on how to make thousands of cocktails. Using a smart scale, it measures each ingredient precisely, ensuring that your drinks are always perfectly balanced. Joseph Index Chopping Board Set. Anyone who's ever struggled with cross-contamination while chopping food knows how frustrating it can be. The Joseph Index Chopping Board Set solves that problem with a sleek and clever design. This set comes with 4 color-coded boards that are labeled for different food groups: raw meat, fish, vegetables, and cooked food. This helps keep your meals safe and free from harmful bacteria. What's even better is that the boards come with an integrated storage case, so everything stays neat and tidy in your kitchen. It's a simple yet genius idea, and the design is both functional and stylish, making it a great addition to any countertop. Kitchen IQ Edge Grip Mag Sharpener. A dull mag can make cooking more challenging and less safe. But with the Kitchen IQ Edge Grip Mag Sharpener, you can keep your knives in top shape without spending a fortune on professional sharpening. This compact and easy-to-use tool offers 2-stage sharpening, allowing you to quickly hone the edge of your knives and restore their sharpness. The unique design includes an edge grip feature that makes it possible to sharpen knives with a comfortable and stable grip, no matter how thick the blade is. Silicone Stretch Lids. One of the most common frustrations in the kitchen is finding the right lid for that leftover dish or fruit. Silicone stretch lids are a game changer. These versatile lids can stretch to fit a wide variety of containers, from bowls to pots to even fruits and vegetables. Made from durable, food-grade silicone, they create an airtight seal that keeps your food fresher for longer without the need for single-use plastic wrap. They're microwaved, dishwasher, and freezer-safe, making them incredibly convenient. They're eco-friendly and reusable, so you're not contributing to plastic waste every time you store leftovers. Black Plus Decker Hand Mixer. For anyone who enjoys baking or cooking with a lot of mixing involved, the Black Plus Decker Hand Mixer is a kitchen staple. This powerful yet lightweight mixer is perfect for whipping, blending, and mixing all your ingredients with ease. Equipped with multiple speeds and beaters, you can tackle everything from light batters to thick doughs with precision. The ergonomic handle provides comfort while mixing, and the attachments are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. One of the highlights of this hand mixer is its affordable price point, which makes it accessible for home cooks and bakers alike. Anova Sous-Vide Precision Cooker. If you've ever wanted to cook restaurant-quality meals at home with precision, the Anova Sous-Vide Precision Cooker is a must-have gadget. Sous-vide cooking involves sealing food in a vacuum bag and cooking it in a water bath at a precisely controlled temperature. This method ensures that your food is cooked perfectly every time, with evenly distributed heat and the best flavor and texture. The Anova device is user-friendly, connecting to your smartphone via Bluetooth for easy control and temperature adjustments. Whether you're cooking steaks, chicken, or even vegetables, Sous-Vide takes your cooking to a whole new level of perfection. The Original Silicone Baking Mat. For those who love to bake but dread the hassle of cleaning up afterward, the Original Silicone Baking Mat is a kitchen lifesaver. This reusable, non-stick mat eliminates the need for parchment paper or oils when baking. Simply place it on your baking sheet, and you'll have a mess-free baking experience every time. Not only does it make cleaning up a breeze, but it also ensures your baked goods bake evenly, with no risk of them sticking to the pan. It's heat-resistant up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, so it works for everything from cookies to roasts. Konrykan Dual Garlic Press. If you love garlic but hate the mess that comes with mincing it, the Konrykan Dual Garlic Press is a perfect tool for your kitchen. This unique garlic press allows you to press both garlic cloves and ginger with ease. Made from durable stainless steel, the press's design makes it easy to crush garlic without the need for peeling first, saving you time and frustration. It's also dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. The ergonomic handle ensures that you can easily apply pressure, even if you're pressing multiple cloves at once. Hamilton Beach Electric Knife. Carving meats, slicing bread, and cutting through tough foods can be a hassle without the right tools. The Hamilton Beach electric knife is a must-have for anyone who enjoys carving with precision and ease. The powerful motor and dual serrated blades make quick work of carving turkey, slicing bread, or cutting through thick roasts. It also includes a carving fork to help with stabilization. The ergonomic handle ensures that you have a comfortable grip, even during extended use. While it's not the most compact knife, it's well suited for larger meals and holiday gatherings. If you entertain or cook large meals frequently, this electric knife is an excellent addition to your kitchen. Spiralizer 5-blade vegetable slicer. If you're looking for a fun and healthy way to add some variety to your meals, the Spiralizer 5-blade vegetable slicer is the perfect gadget. This tool allows you to spiralize vegetables like zucchini, sweet potatoes, carrots, and more, turning them into noodles or decorative garnishes. It comes with multiple blades, each designed for creating different shapes and textures, whether you're making zucchini noodles, curly fries, or thin ribbons for salads. The compact design means it's easy to store, and the blades are razor sharp, making spiralizing quick and effortless. The only downside? It requires a bit of manual effort, but the results are so worth it for anyone looking to make healthier dishes. Ninja Coffee Bar Brewer. Coffee lovers rejoice. The Ninja Coffee Bar Brewer is one of the best ways to make cafe-quality coffee right at home. This versatile coffee maker allows you to brew everything from a single cup to a full pot of coffee, and it includes various brew styles such as classic, rich, over ice, and even specialty brews like lattes and cappuccinos. What sets it apart is the built-in frother, which lets you create frothy milk for your favorite coffee drinks. The Ninja Coffee Bar also features a thermal carafe to keep your coffee hot for hours. The only drawback? It's a bit bulky, so it takes up counter space, but for coffee aficionados, it's well worth it. Zyliss Salad Spinner. If you love fresh salads but hate soggy greens, the Zyliss Salad Spinner will change the way you prepare your salads. This handy gadget uses a manual pumping mechanism to spin your greens dry, leaving you with crisp, perfectly dried lettuce every time. The ergonomic design makes it easy to use, and the bowl can double as a serving dish. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The only downside is that it's a bit bulky, which may be an issue if you're short on storage space. But if you want fresh salads without the mess, the Zyliss Salad Spinner is a must-have in your kitchen arsenal. Chef'n Fresh Force Citrus Juicer. Lastly, the Chef'n Fresh Force Citrus Juicer is a game-changer for anyone who enjoys freshly squeezed juice without the hassle of a bulky juicer. This manual juicer uses a 2-to-1 mechanical advantage, making it easier to extract juice from fruits like lemons, limes, and oranges with minimal effort. The compact design makes it easy to store, and the ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable grip while juicing. The only downside? It's best for small to medium-sized citrus fruits, so it may not work well with larger fruits like grapefruits. But for quick and easy citrus juicing, this is an excellent tool to have on hand. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more awesome kitchen finds. Stay tuned for more product recommendations to make your life easier and tastier.